I'm Matt Squire. I'm a joint replacement specialist with Castle Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. I found that I loved orthopedics early on in my education. I noticed that when I was taking anatomy classes and other classes for my undergraduate that I always gravitated towards the skeletal system. And as I had more and more family members interact with orthopedic surgeons, I saw the tremendous gains that they could achieve through orthopedic surgery. I was fortunate enough to be selected to go to one of the top-rated training centers in the nation for joint replacement. And there I was able to hone my surgical skills and learn cutting-edge techniques in hip and knee replacement, as well as develop best practice guidelines that are employed at many joint replacement programs around the nation. I've done nearly 8,000 joint replacement surgeries and perhaps more. These span from the very bread and butter routine arthritis surgeries to the most complex redo surgeries that are done in today's orthopedic world. I've been lucky in that my patient outcomes are excellent. Through the use of best practices, through the use of caring about every person and every leg, the complication rates that I've had are extremely low and very treatable. Minimally invasive surgery has become the standard of care in orthopedic surgery in general and for specialized joint replacement surgeons specifically. Basically, every surgery I do is a minimally invasive surgery. One of the things I'm most interested in and excited about is the potential for same-day discharge joint replacement. At least 30 to 40% of patients are qualified for this if that's their choice, and patients absolutely love it. There's nothing more comfortable than your own home. We've made it safe, easy, and an excellent recovery process. Throughout my career in orthopedics, I've been lucky enough to be involved in high-level research, trying to preserve people's joints rather than just replace them. This involves research with stem cells, cartilage preservation, and the design of new and innovative joint replacement prostheses. My greatest reward as a joint replacement surgeon is simple. It's seeing a patient come back into the office smiling, saying they can do so much more, saying that their quality of life is so much better, getting back on a bicycle, riding a horse again, playing tennis again, or just simply taking a walk with their dogs or wife or loved ones. That's the best thing about my job.